Alright, today we're going to talk about codominance, and this is where there are two traits that are dominant. So they're going to like cooperate and be dominant together. So one example is with chickens. So you can have a black chicken, and so if you are big B, you're going to be black, and so, but then the other one is white, and again, this is if you have two W's, you'll be white, and if you have two B's, you'll be black. But if you have one of each, you're going to be speckled, so you'll be a black chicken with white spots, so you'll have both black and white. And so we have dominant letters because both of them are going to be dominant together. Like the B is not going to dominate over the white, and the white doesn't dominate over the black. It's just if you have one of each, you're going to be both. So we just do our Punnett squares like normal. If we cross a black chicken with a white chicken, we fill it in. And so then genotype, the 4 out of 4 will be big W, big B, big W. And the phenotype will then be 4 out of 4 speckled. Okay, and again, usually you're going to know that this is a codominant problem just by reading the problem itself. It'll say we have a black chicken and we have a white chicken and their offspring is speckled. And so that clue, like as you're reading the word problem, is really going to tell you that you're dealing with a codominant. So anytime you see the two traits together, they're both being expressed fully. One is not dominant over the other. They don't blend together to get something like in between. That would be incomplete dominance. It's just they're both. Okay, and so that's going to be a clue that you're dealing with codominance. All right, so the next thing we'll do here is we'll make that smaller, and then we'll go and we'll do a second generation. So if we have, let's say our problem is we have a speckled chicken crossed with a speckled chicken, right? So if we went back to our first problem, if we took two of those offspring and crossed them together, what would we get? So we'll do a quick Punnett square, and that will be it for us. So we have B's in this, a B, W, B, W, W, W. Okay? So then for genotypes, again, 1/4 will be big B, 2/4 big B with the big W, and 1/4 big W, big W. And then, oops, I can't spell, that's phenotype. 1/4 will be black. 2/4 are going to be speckled, and 1/4 are going to be white. Okay, and so this would be our F2 generation answer, where this problem over here, that would be our F1 answer. Okay, so I hope that helps with you figuring out how to do codominance genetic Punnett squares.